This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. As a number of COVID-19 cases are rising fast in several parts of the country, we appeal to our listeners to be vigilant and get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, get vaccinated. As the new Omicron variant of coronavirus is causing concern, please continue to follow the 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 01123978046 and 1075. The Meghalaya helpline number for COVID-19 are 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The nation is celebrating the 73rd Republic Day today. The main function will be held at Rajpath in the national capital, where President Ramnath Kovind will take the salute of the parade. A total of 25 tableaus of various states, union territories and ministries will be showcased at the parade in New Delhi. A colourful tableau of Meghalaya showcasing its 50th year of statehood, history and tribute to its women-led cooperative societies and self-help groups will roll out today. The tableau will also showcase bamboo and cane handicrafts and Lakadong turmeric, which Meghalaya is known for. In Nagaland, a state-level Republic Day function will be held at the Civil Secretariat Plaza, Kohima, with Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio unfurling the national flag. Programs to celebrate the Republic Day will be held in all districts of Nagaland. In Manipur, the main function will be held at the historical Kangla Fort, where Governor Laganesan will unfurl the national flag. Eminent Khasi litterateur Badaplin War from Meghalaya will be conferred with the Padma Shri Award for her distinguished service in the field of literature and education. A professor in the Khasi Department, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, her areas of interest and specialization are in Khasi morphology, phonology, sociolinguistics, literature in translation, Khasi literature and Khasi culture. From Assam, Padma Shri recipients are Shakuntala Chaudhary for art and Daneshwar Engti for literature and education. From Manipur, the awardees are Konsam Iboncha Singh and Loremba Bino Devi for art and Muktamani Devi for trade and industry. Khandu Wangchuk Bhutia from Sikkim is a Padma Shri Award for art. From Nagaland, T. Senka Au is a recipient for literature and education. V.L. Nahka is a Padma recipient for literature and education from Mizoram. The centre has announced 939 police medals on the occasion of the Republic Day 2022. 2 police personnel from Meghalaya, Ban Prkhat Nongse, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Special Branch, and Tandra North Kharbani, Driver, Constable, Fire and Emergency Service, have been awarded the Police Medal for Meritorious Service and Fire Service Medal for Meritorious Service. The National Voters' Day was observed across the Northeast along with the rest of the country yesterday. Addressing a gathering at Shillong, the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, R.V. Suchiang, said, "By participating in the electoral process, citizens who have attained the age of 18 play a crucial role in ensuring that the fundamentals of democracy are kept alive." Chief Electoral Officer, Nagaland, V. Shashank Shekhar, facilitated newly enrolled voters and handed over their electoral photo identity cards at Kohima. 7 best booth-level officers and winners of the online poster with slogan writing competition for Kohima district were also felicitated. In Manipur, the National Voters' Day was observed at different district headquarters under the theme, making elections inclusive, accessible and participative. Meghalaya yesterday reported 397 new COVID-19 cases, while 293 more persons recovered. The state has 2,360 active cases. 1 death was also reported yesterday. The East Khasi Hills district, including Shillong, has the highest number of active cases at 1,540. With 164 people testing positive for coronavirus yesterday, Nagaland's tally of COVID-19 active cases was recorded at 775. On the other hand, 68 recovered cases and 1 death due to COVID-19 were also reported. In Manipur, 461 persons tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday. 4 COVID-19 related death cases were also reported. Meanwhile, 308 COVID-19 patients were discharged from health centers after recovery. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.